built with mature twin countershaft structure. This 16-speed automated manual transmission comes with 16 forward gears and 2 reverse gears. Rated for maximum input torque of to 400 Nm, it features finely distributed gear ratios, delivering powerful low-speed traction and outstanding fuel efficiency during highway cruising, adopting precision helical gear design and enhanced gear treatment. The transmission runs smoothly with low noise, high load capacity and prolonged service life. Optimized dimensions make it ideal for heavy-duty tractors, bulk cargo trucks, dumpers and long-distance transport vehicles. It balances heavy load capability and highway economy, featuring stable build, simple installation and affordable maintenance. A premium drivetrain for commercial vehicles.